Finger Family.
Welcome to the Finger Family. I am the Daddy Finger. Chicken lollipop is on top of the list in every restaurant, especially since the kids love the name lollipop along with chicken, and its taste made it the best. Take 6 chicken wings, around 500 grams, in a bowl and cut them into the shape of the lollipop. For shaping the lollipop, check this video. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of soya sauce, and mix all well. Add 1 egg and mix them well again. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour and mix them. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and mix them. Add salt for taste. Try to apply the coating all over the chicken. Deep fry the chicken wings in oil. Delicious chicken lollipop is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.